20 Crazy Facts You Didn't Know About Selena Gomez. In 01, Selena Marie Gomez is 30 years old. She was born on July 22, 1992, in Grand Prairie, Texas. In 02, Selena's zodiac sign is Cancer, and her name means moon in Greek. In 03, Selena Gomez got her start in acting when she was cast on Barney and Friends at the age of 7. In 04, her first kiss was when she was 12 years old with Dylan Sprouse while filming an episode of Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. In 05, Selena was appropriately named after the Tejano singer, Selena Quintanilla Perez. Selena Gomez grew up listening to Selena and wanted a rhinestone corset after watching Jennifer Lopez play Selena in the 1997 biopic. In 06 and 2012, Selena Gomez launched her first fragrance called Selena. She describes it as yummy, romantic, and not overbearing. In 07, before that, she launched a clothing line in 2010 called Dream Out Loud. The line uses eco-friendly materials, and the tags have inspirational quotes on them. In 08, Selena became the youngest UNICEF ambassador when she joined in 2009 at age 17. For her first mission, she traveled to Ghana with UNICEF. In 09, although she voiced Steve Carell's daughter in Horton Hears a Who, Selena never actually met Steve until after the movie. In 010, Selena became the first person to hit 100 million followers on Instagram. Each social media post is valued at $800,000 each. In 011, although she was offered a role in High School Musical 3, she turned it down because she wanted to pursue more serious roles. In 012, interestingly enough, Selena Gomez is not a fan of Harry Potter or even magic in general. Even so, she landed the main character in Wizards of Waverly Place in 2007. In 013, Selena has suffered from lupus, which causes depression and soreness among other things, but she only announced it publicly in 2015. In 014, she cancelled her Europe and South America portions of the Revival Tour in 2016, due to complications from the disease. She ended up checking into a rehab facility for 3 months to overcome her anxiety, panic attacks, and depression. In 015, Selena Gomez's friend, Francia Risa, donated a kidney to Selena in September 2017, to help her lupus recovery. Although there were complications during the surgery, she made a full recovery. In 016, as health-aware as she is, Selena Gomez loves burgers and indulged in a McDonald's meal before her 2015 Victoria's Secret fashion show. In 017, for the Netflix adaptation of 13 Reasons Why, Selena was an executive producer. She also recorded a single for the show called Back to You. In 018, both of the music videos for Lose You to Love Me and Look at Her Now were filmed on iPhone 11 Pro phones. In 019, from 2008 to 2012, Selena Gomez was part of the band Selena Gomez and the Scene. Originally she just wanted it to be called The Scene, but added her name as a compromise with her record company to appeal to her fanbase. In 020, Selena is 5'4" tall, 1.65 meters.